Hey, welcome back. I know you guys wanted to work on the D50, but we've got something else we got to do real quick. All right, I've been having a lot of trouble with the final gear on the Honda 250 ES Big Red. Having drill bits break as I'm trying to drill out a bolt that broke off. You guys might have seen that one in one of the previous videos. So I picked up this 21-piece titanium drill bit set. Is it the best set for the money? We're about to find out. Let's get started. Okay, here's the set I was using, Performax, and I'm just losing drill bits left and right. The last bit I used, I was making a little bit of progress. These I don't know if these are made for metal, maybe not. But I can tell you what is made for metal, it's this. I think I paid about $17, $18 for this set. They're both bought at Menards. Here's the toolshop brand, 236-5167. This I paid $12 for at Menards, and we're going to go ahead and see if this does the trick for us. We've got to get this out. We've got a tap set coming. If this works, it might be the best set that I have seen for the money. It says it's titanium. And if you're new here, this is a budget shop. You know, we'd like to buy all the really nice stuff, but it's hard to do that. All right, here's the complete set. 21 pieces. I like it so far. Just looks pretty. Let's make sure we don't lose any of these bits. Been trying the easy outs. Haven't been able to get it out. I finally just decided to drill it. In the previous video, I don't know if, boy, it's probably been like 3 or 4 months back, but I busted this. And I probably would have been better off just drilling it out, retapping it, and calling it good. But either way, here we are, so let's do this. Bring you guys right along. We'll see if this drill bit holds up. Let's see, it's got the sizes on it here, maybe. Basically the plan right now is I just want to get down, this will probably be okay. I just want to get down to where I'm all the way through the bolt. And then when that tap set comes, where I can rethread everything. It's got helicoils as well if we need that. We're going to go that route. Let me grab the drill real quick. I just moved to the other side so that way I can get a good position on this. I'm not going to go gung-ho on this. I don't have safety glasses with me. I don't know where they are, so watch yourself. Here we go. Tool shop. All right, so far it's biting in. The last bit I was using from this Performax set over here, it was biting in, it was doing pretty good. I wasn't even putting a lot of pressure on it, and it suddenly just twisted right off. Let's see how far down we want to go. About right here. Okay. All right, it's going, it's making progress. A little more down pressure. Well, so far this is the best progress we've had. Let's see here. Not too hot at the moment. I'm going to get a little bit of white paint just to mark that where we want to be. Just going to mark it here. There we go. Don't want to go down exactly that far, but we're going to get close. See if I can get you guys a different angle. All right, how about that? That good? You can see the white? Yeah, here we go. And it's going. Forgot to plug my drill in. Can you believe that? Silly. We're going to take a pause real quick. I'm going to plug that in, charge it, and I'll be right back. And I'm going to find some safety glasses. All right, at this point in time, I accidentally left the microphones off. So what I'm doing right now is I'm trying to just drill it out with a fresh battery. And I am going to fast forward a little bit. I'm going to let you in on a little secret of what happens here. I drill it down as much as I can. It doesn't really make good progress anymore at this point in time. I don't know if it's because I added some WD-40 to it. Shouldn't have been. I end up putting the easy out in. Doing some here, I put the WD-40 on it. But as I put the easy out in, you'll see that as I put some pressure on it, I break it again. All right, here we go. It's about to get real. Got the easy out picked out, hammering it down. Try not to hammer it down hard because broke it once, don't want to break it again. Let's go ahead and put the crescent wrench on it. Wish we could see a little better of this happening. I am trying to be very gentle with it. I don't know if this is where it breaks off. We're going to keep watching here. There's not, I mean, oh, goodness sakes. There it is. Pretty sure that it busted that right there. Yep. Not fun. At this point in time, I'm feeling a little bit defeated with this. I don't know how I can repair that. I'm not possessing the skill set to do that right at this point in time. Oh, sorry about that. I left the sound off for all the good parts, me continuing to break this thing. I'm officially about done with this. And now it's just irritating me, so throw my glasses back on and we're just gonna go to town on this thing. I just can't believe that we're getting nowhere with this. Unreal. Making our repair harder and harder here. Okay, we're gonna go down a bunch of sizes. We're gonna see if that gives us a little opportunity to drill down, and we're coming back to that. I mean, we're not making anything. Unreal. That is nuts to me. Oh, just nothing. Hardly any sort of dent whatsoever. Well, I'm not sure what a guy needs to do to get through this bolt. I mean, what in the world? What do you guys think? I'm gonna need your input here. This is just driving me bonkers. Bonkers is a good word to use. Ready for this? Roll Tide. All right, we're going down a little bit. Since we're here for the drill bit, it's holding on okay, still looks good. Oh boy, oh boy. How far do we gotta get? Wait, we're not even close, are we? There's the white line. Look at that. Oh boy. We're making progress, so we're gonna keep going here. Eyeglasses back on. Drill bit still looks great. A lot of the other ones would be wearing down by now. Ay caramba. My arm is just getting tired trying to make it through this thing. All right, I can see we're making some more progress here. I'm gonna try to grab the sides off of this. Well, they're probably just gonna break right off, right? Yeah, let's just keep going. Getting closer. So far, so good with the drill bit, in case you're wondering. Goodness, this is unreal. Still good. Well, here's the thing. At this point in time, I'm pretty much done with this. I don't feel like I want to repair that and put it back on. It's just a sloppy mess. So let's stay positive. I'm going to go take a look online, see if we can find another one. As for the drill bits, you know, they didn't cut very well. But I haven't had any drill bits that have cut well on this. But I've been really wrenching on this thing here. And that tip is still the same as it was. Putting some heavy duty pressure on that, but I think for $12, I got a good set. But you guys let me know what you think. Got these at Menards. There you go. Well, that's gonna do it for this video. I do appreciate everybody watching. Hope you guys and gals have a good day. We'll talk to you next time. Got a lot more coming up. Got this Taurus in the back. We need to keep working on getting it out of the shop. DIY, auto repair at home, restorations, revivals, little silly stuff like this too. I mean, I just don't understand. Why can't I drill through that bolt? So, let me know what I did wrong. Let me know if I can do anything better. Let me know if I did what you would have done. We'll talk to you guys next time. Bye-bye. Silly stuff.